First line. Everyone has a dream in life. Second line. My dream is to become a successful person. Third line. I want to achieve something great in my life. Fourth line. I dream of making my parents proud. Fifth line. I also want to help poor and needy people. Sixth line. Education is the key to achieving my dream. Seventh line. I study hard every day to reach my goal. Eighth line. I believe in myself and my abilities. Ninth line. I will never give up on my dream. 10th line. One day, I will surely make my dream come true.